in Ihram. The Ihram of Ifrad is to make the intention at the time of taking Ihram of performing Hajj alone. The Ihram of Ifrad is taken from outside of the miqat, at the miqat boundary, unless a person is a resident within the miqat boundary or within Makkah Mukarramah, in which case they will take the Ihram from their place of residence. The Ihram of Ifrad is to be discharged by a person by proceeding to the Masjid al-Haram, performing the Tawaf al-Qudum, and then right on its heels the Sa'i of Hajj, and then waiting in the state of Ihram until the day of Tarwiyah, heading to Mina and going through all of the manasik until a person stones the Jamrat al-Kubra on the Yawm al-Nahr, and then afterward performs the Tawaf al-Ifada. After that Tawaf and its 2 rak'ahs are complete, then a person will have completed the fard parts of their Hajj Ifrad.